Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So, dear students, as you can see, we are going to study chapter number 5, The Adventures of an Understudy. So, dear student, in the previous live class, I have told you the brief summary of the chapter, and here I am going to explain line by line the chapter. Okay, students? So, as I have told you that King Rudolph was about to go to attend his coronation ceremony, but meanwhile he was kidnapped by his cousin Black Michael. Okay, and there was a person whose name is Resendel, and his face is resemble King Rudolph. Okay, King Rudolph and Resendel resemble to each other. So the friend of King Rudolph, Mr. Colonel Sapt, requested Resendel to appear in the coronation so that they can save the throne of King Rudolph. Otherwise, Black Michael would, would get the throne in the absence of King Rudolph. Okay, students? So let's study one by one and find out what happened at the end. Whether Resendil succeed to save the throne of King Rudolph or not, and if he succeed, then how and in what way he succeed in his mission. So let's study. Let's see paragraph number first. The game had begun. Okay, it meant to say the game had begun meant to say the time had come. Okay, and let's see. The cool morning air streaming in through the window of the train cleared my head, and I was able to take in all Sapt said to me. Okay, so dear, as we know that Resendil is traveling from England to Ruritania to see the coronation of King Rudolph. Okay, so when he was going to Ruritania, so during the journey, okay, he explained the morning cool. Okay, so the cool morning air streaming in through the window. So Resendil tells us that it was the morning time and the cool morning air was streaming through the window of the train and cleared his head. Okay, and I was able to take in all Sapt said to me. So student, who is Sapt? Yes, A-P-T, Sapt. So the complete name of Sapt is Colonel Sapt. He was a colonel and he was friend of Rudolph, King Rudolph. Okay, so King Rudolph told Resendil all the things, all the matter, and he was ready to take place of King Rudolph. Okay, now see, he was wonderful. The word he referred to King, sorry, Sapt, Colonel Sapt. Okay, so Resendil tells us that Colonel Sapt was a very wonderful person. Okay, he began at once to instruct me in history of my past life, of my family, of my taste, pursuits, weakness, friends, companions, and servants. So Resendil tells us that Colonel Sapt tells him about the history of the King Rudolph. Okay, he tells him the past life of King Rudolph. Okay, King Rudolph. He also tells him about his family background, about King Rudolph tests what he likes and what he not like, about his weakness, about King Rudolph friends, about King Rudolph companions, and about King Rudolph servants. He gives the full information to Resendil so that he never feel nervousness, and his reality is not revealed to anyone. No one doubt, no one suspect on him, so that he tells all the information about the King Rudolph, because Resendil will go in the coronation at the place of King Rudolph in the absence of King Rudolph. Okay, so that Colonel Sept gives him all the information about King Rudolph. Now see further. He told me the etiquette of the Ruthenian court. Okay, etiquette. What the meaning of etiquette? So dear student, we know etiquette means formal rules for polite behavior at the court. So Colonel Sapt tells Regendil the formal rules for the polite behavior at the court of Ruthenia. He tells the formal rules of the court of Ruthenia to Resendils. Okay, and promised to be constantly at my elbow to point out everybody whom I ought to know. And Colonel Sept also promises Resendil that he will be constantly at with him to point out everybody whom he ought to know. Okay, students, is that clear? It means to say Colonel Sept promises Resendil that he will be always with him, and he will always gives hint. He always gives hint to point out everybody whom he must know, whom he ought to know. Okay. Okay, students. Now see further. I am not made of. Oh, sorry. Now see paragraph second. At 9:30. Okay, it was 9:30. It meant to say 9:30. So it was 9:30. Looking out of the window, I saw the towers of great city. So it was 9:30. Okay, at that time Resendil looks out of the window. Okay, and he sees the towers of great cities. Your capital, my league. What is the meaning of my league? So student, my league, this is a addressing word. Okay, whenever we respectfully manner, okay, in respectfully manner of addressing, whenever we address someone in respectfully, so we use the word league. So Colonel Sapt, okay, addressing in respectful manner, okay, Resendil tells that this city is your capital. Okay, this city is your capital. Now see further. Grinned old Sapt with a wave of his hand. Okay, he point out at the city and tells that this is your capital. Leaning forward, he laid his finger on my pulse. Colonel Sept moved to Resendil. He comes near to Resendil and he laid his finger on his pulse. Okay, it means to say just he touch him a little too quick. Okay, said he in his grumbling tone. Colonel Sept advises him not to be so hurry. Have patience. Okay, don't be nervous. Now see paragraph third. I am not made of stone, I exclaimed. So Resendil replied him that he is not made of stone. He also has feelings. Okay, so he feels a little bit nervous. Okay, and he is very quick. Now see further paragraph 4. You will do, said he with a nod. Then he pauses and, looking at us, said quietly, "Okay, now see." Colonel Sapt nodded his head and said that he will do 110%, he will do. Okay. Then he paused and looking at us, and after that Colonel paused and he looked at them. Okay. Said quietly, and after that Colonel Sapt said quietly, "God send we may be alive tonight." God send. What is the meaning of God send? God send means he prays to God. Colonel Sapt pray to God, okay, for wishing for something desired, okay. So he prays to God that they might be alive tonight, okay, because Rizandil was going in the coronation. If their reality revealed to someone, if anyone doubt, anyone suspect on them, so they must be punished. So that Colonel Sapt pray to God that they might be alive that night. Okay. Amin said priest. Okay. Now who is a new character? Fritz. So Fritz, he is also a servant of King Rudolph. Okay. And you know what the meaning of Amin? So at the end of the prayer, we use the word Amin. Okay. And it is meaning, may it be so. Okay. Okay, students. Now see the next paragraph. Okay, now see paragraph number 6. The train stopped. Fritz and Sapt leaped out and held the door. The train stopped. Fritz and Colonel Sapt get out of the train and they held the door of the train for him. Okay. You know, I choked down a lump that rose in my throat. It meant to say, it meant to say, it meant to say that Regendil was a little bit nervous. He feels suffocated. Okay, he was afraid. Okay. Then I settled my helmet firmly on my head. After that, Rizandil settled his helmet on his head firmly and breathed a short prayer to God. And he prayed to God to save, to help him. The last thing I did was to feel if my revolver was handy and my sword loose in the scabbard. Rizandil tells us that at last he checked whether his revolver is in his hand or not and his sword is in his scabbard or not. Okay, he checked his revolver and his scabbard. Then I stepped out onto the platform of the station of onto the platform of the station of Strelso. Okay, what you pronounced it, you can pronounce it Strelso. Okay, so at the platform of Strelso, King Rudolph, Colonel Sapt and Fritz, all of them get down from the train. Okay. Now see paragraph number 7. The bells throughout the city broke out into a joyful peal. It meant to say they announced that the King Rudolph has come and the whole city ring the bells to welcome King Rudolph in joyfully manner. Okay, they were very happy and they welcomed him, ringing the drum and bell. The sound of a military band and of a man cheering struck my ear. Rizandil tells us that he hears the sound of a military band and of men who were welcoming him at the arrival. Okay? King Rudolph the Fifth was in his good city of Strelso. Okay? So King Rudolph the Fifth, okay, was in his good city of Strelso. Okay? And they shouted outside, God save the king. All the persons who have gathered at the station to welcome the king, they shouted, they prayed to God that God save the king. Okay? Now see paragraph 8. Old Sab's mouth wrinkled into a smile. It meant to say, Colonel Sab smiled a little bit. God save them both. Okay, he talks to himself that God save both of them, Colonel Sapt as well as Resendel, because Colonel Sapt is the planner. He planned all this game. Okay, he planned to send Resendel in the absence of King Rudolph. Okay, students. Now see further. Courage lad, and I felt his hand press my arm. So he whispered, Courage lad. What is the meaning of lad? Lad means boy. Lad means boy. So King Rudolph whispered. What is the meaning of whisper? Talk in low voice, talk in slow voice. So Colonel Sapt talks in slow voice. Okay, he says to Rizandil that he is very courageous boy. Okay, and after that, Rizandil feels his hand on his arm. Okay, it means to say Colonel Sapt put his hand on his arm to encourage him. Okay, okay, students. Now see paragraph 9. A group of officers stood awaiting me. Regendil tells us that a group of officers were standing at the station and they were waiting him. At their head was a tall old man, and their head was a tall old man covered with medals. Regendil tells us the head of that group of officers was a tall old man and he was covered with medals and in a military uniform. Okay, and what was the name of the head of the group of officers? Okay, Marshal Strauchens. Marshal Strauchens. He was the head of the group of officers who had come to welcome King Rudolph. Okay, whispered Sapt, and I knew that I was in the presence of the most famous veteran of the Ruthenian army. Regendil feels that as he knows that he was in the presence of the most famous veteran. What is the meaning of veteran? Veteran means most experienced person. Okay, so he feels that Marshal Strauchens is the most veteran person, most experienced person of the Ruthenian army. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have got these all points very well. So dear student, watch the video, enjoy the video. We will continue from paragraph 10 in the next class. Okay, till then enjoy the video.